How to delete a Discord server on desktop and mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, in your phone, open Discord, click on the server and click at the top, which is the server name. And then click on settings, which is beside notifications. In here, click on overview, which is the first option. Scroll down and you'll find delete server. Click yes, and then you're good to go. As you can see, server has been deleted on your laptop. First, let's see how you can simply leave other people's server. Right click on the server. As you can see, servers list at the left side. Right click on it and then click on leave server. After you click on it, click on leave server again. Select the reason and you're good to go. To simply delete your own server, click on your server located at left side and then click on your server name at the top. As you can see, it's Sophia's server. Click on it and then click on server settings. In here at the left side, scroll down, you'll find delete server. Click on it and then click on this enter server name and then enter your server name and then click on delete server. You're good to go. This is how to delete a Discord server on desktop and mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.